Now the seal comes preset with this little cup. The cup is there so you don't screw up the lip, so make sure you leave that on. You want to tap it till you hear that sounds like you're making contact, and then the seal's flush with it. Perfectly in, comes just right out. That's how you know it's perfect. Alright, new seal is in. Alright, just leave these two back in here. Give the covers a little wipe down. When we bolt it on, we'll clean it up a little better. Taped everything up. Wall pump cover, valve cover, the back of that, back of this, all of that. Time for paint. You can see the crustiness. Just like the engine block part's fine, just the half section, all that stuff. Switching the engine over, not switching it, swapping it over. Now we got the front end in, now we can clean this up and put the front crank seal in. I was, to be honest, gonna go all fancy and get the billet aluminum from 034. It's like, why spend that money when you're only gonna see this technically when you pull the engine or do something like that? So I just got a regular seal. This comes as actually a whole piece. It doesn't come just as a seal, which is amazing. That way I don't have to mess with the outer part of it, because if that gets damaged then I have to replace it anyway. Just taking it apart, it literally came out in pieces, so thankfully they come in one piece. I'll show you. All these parts are from Victor, Reigns, or whatever. Comes as one piece like this. Amazing. Again, same thing with the seal. It comes with a plastic tab. You only take that off once you install it in. No, it doesn't just bolt on there. You actually have to put silicone. I actually prefer that over gaskets and O-ring, not gonna lie, because I feel like gasket and O-rings just do too much. So it essentially bolts on like that. Let's take these guys out real quick. Now time for water pump. Water pump nice and clean, surface nice and clean. Put some silicone. Perfect. Water pump's in. Most of the front end's in. And probably just give it a little shot of that primer, not primer, that engine gray, so it matches. All right, engine gray. It's like a silver, almost. It's a high heat silver, so should last well. Shouldn't start peeling. It's Ford engine anyway, so.